We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy and getting heavier still, if you need or want me, I'm never too hard to find. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I, our footsteps in perfect stride. In the calm of twilight, when your night's been so long, you try to do right, but everything turned out wrong. When I need or want you, never too hard to find. I know the places that you like to hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I, our breath dancing into the night. We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When care is heavy and getting heavier still. Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things visions of dejection and despair, when some great rapture is lingering in the air. I feel like jumping in your blanket, I feel like climbing in your cave. Your flesh attracts me like a magnet, your cunning traps me like a cage. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. Like I'm going over the falls, feel like I'm going over the falls.